Welcome back to Strong's Garage.
Yeah, you got Matt, Jim here.
And it's exciting because we hit 10,000 subscribers.
Right? Super exciting.
So thanks, folks, and I really appreciate that. So all those that like, subscribe, shared, comment, all that,
Oh, yeah.
that's awesome.
Yeah, patrons included.
Yeah, we'd like to thank the
you guys,
patrons. Yeah.
keeping the ship afloat.
And another exciting thing is...
Yeah, you might notice it's not a Friday today as it
isn't.
traditionally is. But
It
it's a pretty exciting day nonetheless.
Yeah, so behind the scenes, Jim's been working a deal here for the last quite a while. And
probably a month or so.
Showed up today.
Yeah, finally came to fruition.
Yeah, the most exciting thing is, as you folks know, when you get a car you thought you'd never be able to get, you make it happen. That's what happened today.
Right? The struggle of finding it and getting it to you, and just at any point in the process, one little thing goes wrong, and
out the window.
And we were dealing with cross-border stuff.
Yeah, so it came all the way up from Iowa.
Yeah.
And what is it, Jim?
Hey, it's a 1941 Continental, Lincoln Continental.
Convertible.
The original, yes, cabriolet.
They only made 400 of them in 1941. Well, here it is.
Yeah.
Lincoln Continental.
Fresh from its big journey
thousands
across North America.
of miles.
Yeah, no, poor thing's been sitting the last 10 days on a truck.
It was minus 40 the other day. The poor thing probably never seen minus 40.
No, and so...
It's cool. It's black, but we were looking at it, and we think it was this really cool light green, much like the 48 Chevy.
Yeah, kind of an iridescent green, which
and look at this convertible, hey?
As black, it's sharp. I love black cars.
Oh, it's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
It's
painted black a long time ago.
It was. It's all lacquer and old, but it's got a wonderful patina that's good enough for now, and man, it's just such a cool car. I'm glad Jim finally found one that was like this.
This is exactly what I've been looking for, and when it came up, you just kind of...
Oh, when you get into pre-war cars, it's very hard to find them unless they're complete rubbish, or they've been completely restored, or poorly restored. This car's never been restored. It's just been painted and upkept, so it doesn't have a bunch of willy-nilly things. It has a few things that are wrong for 41 that we've been noticing, but all the Continental-only stuff is here, which is perfect.
Oh, yeah, because that stuff, like we were saying earlier, they only made 441, so to track that stuff down
gets pretty impossible. Not impossible, but impractical.
Yeah, impractical, yeah.
So it's a cool car. We're so excited. I know Jim, he's been just bouncing off the wall.
Yeah.
Every time you ship a car across the border from the United States, it's a lot easier to send them to the United States. It's like nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Like we can sell a car like the Chevy that's for sale to the States like nothing.
Yeah.
But to get them up, you got to have your I's dotted and your T's crossed, and if anything is haywire, you can... But anyway, he was on pins and needles for a little bit, but...
Yeah, dealing sight unseen for something like this is kind of... everything's in other people's hands, but
the car is awesome. Let's see if it runs.
Yeah, we'll get under the hood. And
well, I guess it ran over there, so...
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Up and away.
Yeah, let's take a peek under the bonnet.
Yeah, it's got some tired hood springs or maybe a heavy hood. We don't know, but...
These have how much longer hood than a regular Lincoln?
Oh, it's quite a bit.
6 or 7 inches? 8 inches?
6 to 8 inches.
Yeah,
we'll
long hood. Yeah. But there is the old V12.
Yeah, which is very cool. It's strikingly similar to a flathead Ford V8, but you've got your 4 extra cylinders on one end or the other, whatever you decide, or in the middle.
And it's got the LZ carburetor, the Holley LZ carb. And I believe the 41 should have aluminum heads, so these have been changed at some point. Yeah. But the car is largely as was, including the hot air heater.
Yeah, which is super neat, handy on days like today. And what else? Dual trumpet horns, handy. And a lot of shaky kind of wiring.
Yeah, we didn't do any of this will it run rigging. They did, but it seems to work. It's got a brand new 8-volt battery that's been put in it. And it's just very neat to see one of these giant engines.
Yeah, giant only in length dimension. They're only 292 cubic inches.
Yeah, they're kind of meager in inch-wise, I
believe 120 horse, so...
Well, that's up there.
No, they propel this.
It's got at least 25 horse on a Ford.
Yeah.
And this thing is going to need it.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot bigger than 25 horse.
It's a long car.
It's a big car.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get it beside Jim's 41 Merc.
Yeah, that'll be neat to see. And then we'll have to just find somebody with a 41 Ford to
Yeah.
get the trifecta.
Yeah. Well,
So, yeah.
let's get her going. Okay. Ready?
Does that work the throttle?
What's that?
Does that work the throttle?
You bet.
Okay, good.
Just barely. Go ahead and push it all the way down.
That's flat out.
You let it off? Yeah,
Off?
it goes about a quarter of the way.
Okay.
It's
Well,
not
let's
built
see.
for speed, eh?
No, fuel economy.
So somebody's already been in here and worked on this, in quotes. Got it prepared for the will it start, can it start situation. Got an 8-volt battery in it. But they've got these wires pre-run. So we've got our fuel pump, which I will hook up, which we've hooked to a tank, an external tank. There's the pump pumping away. And we've got the ignition wires, dual coils. These Lincolns have a 1 coil, but it's split into 2 coils. And it's a cool old hot rod trick to convert these for a V8. But right now, just V12 all the way.
Yeah. Oh, does this do the choke or anything?
Oh, you bet it does.
Okay, perfect.
So I will run the external starter. It's a 2-man operation to start these Lincolns. A lot of people don't know that. That's why you needed a chauffeur all the time. Anyways, Jim will run the controls on the inside. I'll run the starter button. Here we go. Let's see if she goes. Oops. Got sparks flying everywhere. Okay. Hook the fuel back up. Okay, we got ignition. We got fuel. I'm going to run the starter. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. First drives. Woohoo! Here it goes. Well, there you have it, folks. It was really cool to hear it run.
Exciting, yeah. My first V12, so.
Cool. It's just all up from here. We'll have to get a V16 next, I guess.
Yeah. Keep moving up onward and upward.
Anyway, the old Lincoln sounds pretty good. A little smoky, but you know what? That's nothing to set of rings, or we'll look at it. It hadn't got up to temperature in who knows how many years. So
yeah. Might just hopefully
able to clear up.
Good hard highway drive.
Yeah. So I don't know. The plan I think is just to go through the car and clean it up mechanically for now, right?
Yeah. Brakes and just kind of get a good look at it. And
it's cool though.
Well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of 1940s elegance.